Guys, I have some good information for you, so listen to this video closely. We're working on the website diligently. I think I worded that word right. Is that word right? Diligently. We've worked on it diligently and have been continuing to improve it. So guys, I invite you to go over and check it out, but do not buy anything because you're not going to get anything. I am in the process of stocking everything, and along with, if you guys are wanting a kit, please message me. I can still get you the kit the way that we have been for now. Unfortunately, stock is a little bit low on some of the kits, and we're waiting to get that going. But nonetheless, it's my problem, not your problem. However, we are working hard. And listen, guys, you guys are always asking me, Redneck, do you sell the secondary spring compressor? I always just send you guys an Amazon link, right? I found some, and I got them ordered. And if they're crap, they're not going on my website. I'll find a different one. I'll send them back. But if they're somewhat decent, they're going to be on my website. And guys, I got some bolts to spread the secondary. I'm not going to sell them to you at a ridiculous price like other companies. You guys know, I'm trying to make a living here. I'm trying to feed my family. I'm trying to pay my bills. I'm trying to do YouTube content. But most importantly, I'm trying to get you, the consumer, what you want and need for your machine without paying top dollar. Sure, maybe I might have a price on the website that's not the best price, but I promise you I'm going to do my best. And by doing my best, the one thing that I'm going to do, instead of selling you that little bolt for 40 bucks like other companies do, we're going to include it for free with the spring compressor. But those of you that may already have a spring compressor, or you just want the bolt so you can spread your secondary, I'm going to put it on my website at a most affordable price that I can. Okay? So I'm in the process of doing that. I'm going to wait till things come in. Now what I did was I ordered some cheap bolts because it doesn't have to be fancy tool to get the job done, right? You don't need to pay $40 for a tool when you can pay, I don't know, 10 or 12 bucks or something. And this is my plan. I'm thinking about going to the hardware store, getting some steel and welding a T-handle on it because it is a hex head bolt. That's all that I could find was hex head, which is fine. You can put an Allen key in there and spin it. That would be fine. But guess what? I'm going to go and find me some steel rod. I'm going to cut her down, and I'm going to weld it on there so you got a T-handled tool. And it's going to be cheap. It's going to be affordable. It's going to get the job done while saving you money. I sure hope that helps. I'm doing everything that I can to bring you guys good products, decent products at a good price. And sure, it might not be some forged, stamped bolt or whatever. Who cares? I want to get it to you guys at an affordable price. Most of you guys are only in your clutches once or twice a year, if that. You're not using that tool on an everyday basis. It doesn't have to be a snap-on, okay? It can be a Redneck Freight. A Harbor Freight tool, all right? So, guys, I want you to go over to my website. I'll have it linked probably somewhere on this video. And just check it out and let me know. And, guys, if you'd like to see a product on there, please comment down below because we are shelling out a lot of money trying to get stocked up on that website, and I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. You guys are awesome. I thank you so much, don't we, honey? They're great, and I'm gonna have to recruit some help because just here in the last couple days I've been super slim that ain't been able to leave my office and haven't got any sleep. Maybe I got a little bit of sleep last night. Maybe I just lied about that. But nonetheless, I can't sleep because my brain is always thinking, what can I add to that website? What can I add to that website? What can I go buy to stock, So comment down below what you would like to see. I already know you guys want to see wheel spacers. That stuff will come in due time because I have to buy so many of them to get a good price. And listen, guys, I'm not gonna buy, a couple of them and then have to mark them up more than what they're worth just to get them to you. I don't want to do that. I want you to pay what should be paid, not $60 over MSRP or something. So, guys, thank you for all of the support. We appreciate you so much. You guys don't even know. You ain't got a clue of how much I appreciate you and appreciate all your support. Also, I'll be getting some stickers. I will be, as this progresses, I will be adding some merch to that store. Okay? So it's going to come slowly. But the more support I have from you guys, which I have plenty of support, and so don't think that I don't, because I do have plenty of support from you guys. You guys are freaking awesome. But the more you guys keep supporting me, the more products I'll be able to add. And then next thing you know, we're going to have a whole website just full of goodies for you guys. And I plan on maybe posting some my what's going on over there. I'm going to maybe add a tab. I don't know. My mom's kind of working on the website with me. She's doing a fantastic job. Listen, that's all her. I didn't do anything. She did it all. The only thing I did was go over there and I'm trying to explain about the clutch kits and stuff like that. That's a lot of work, but nonetheless, you guys get the gist, so I don't have to do that like immediately, but I'm trying. So, all right, guys, peace out, and God bless, and don't forget, as soon as we get some seats and as soon as I get some time, we'll be back out here working on the golf cart buggy build. I can't wait. I'm just waiting on seats. So, all right, guys, peace out, God bless, and we'll see you in the next one.